This resin tutorial is being done in our crystal edge round mold using Artline Resin Extra Honey Resin. It's a high viscosity resin that's perfect for doing this pour, which is a variation of the Chrysanthemum pour. For this pour, I mixed up 9.3 ounces of resin, and my first color is strawberry resin ink from Octopus Fluids. I had 4 drops in 1 ounce of resin, and then I have some Aronia resin ink, 4 drops in 1 ounce of resin. And then I have black Onyx, 5 drops in 1.34 ounces of resin, and then Castin Craft white pigment paste, 23 drops in 1.55 ounces of resin. Now, originally this recipe was for a 7-ounce mold. Oh, there's my push. For the push, I mixed up 4 ounces with 2 drops of strawberry, but I ended up using only about what did I use? 2.96 ounces at the end. And there you see my resin is about 33 to 34 degrees Celsius. I did not wait. By the time I mixed up my colors, this resin was already at that temperature. So this is a high viscosity resin. It tends to heat up faster. I think the working time is only 30 to 40 minutes with it. So I took the strawberry and I'm just wringing the outside just under the crystal edges. I've done this pour before with 2 colors and with 1 color. Originally, I think I started saying, my friend Tiffany gave me this recipe for my 7-ounce mold, which was the B mold or the C mold, I forget. And I never was able to size it up for the bigger pours until our customer Callie recalculated the other day, but I've changed her calculations since then. But she got a great result in this mold as well. She has our crystal edge round mold, so I'll link to her video below. Thank you, Callie, for upsizing the recipe. But I knew I did not want as much clear. I think she used 6 ounces of clear. And like I said, I mixed up 4 ounces. And I only poured in a little bit and I had 1.32 ounces left. So that means I only put about 2.96 in for the push and it was still a little bit too much. But pretty much you just basically have to puddle pour these colors. I just did the ring with the strawberry and the Aronia to see if it would give a different result, and it did. But there I'm just putting the black in the center, and then you put the white in the center, and then you put the clear in the center. And it's funny how you can use the same resins, the same mold, and get totally different results. I'm wondering if the push, Callie ended up using 6 point something ounces for her push, I believe, 6.2 ounces. And it looked like a lot, but she got gorgeous big cells out of it, which was what I'm always going for. Mine, because I cut the push back to only like 2.96 ounces, you'll see there, I think that gave me the smaller blooms on the chrysanthemum flower, but it still looks like a flower. Chrysanthemum flower, I guess. So there I'm just pouring in the clear. It looks only like a little bit is left, but there was actually like 1.32 ounces left. And then I'm putting in some crushed glass, some iridescent beads right into the center. And that's pretty much it. This did not fill the mold up. The 9.3 ounces is short. This mold takes 11 ounces, but I figured I didn't need 11 ounces, so I did want to cut down this upscaled recipe a little bit to get rid of that huge push at the end. So then it's time to demold, and this resin does cure up really fast. It looks pretty on the back. Oh, that pink and purple, the rings stayed separate, and that black gave me a black border. It's so interesting how you can use the same resin and same kind of inks and same mold and still have totally different yet beautiful results.